If you want a quick and easy way to protect your browsing and change your virtual location, Opera has a built-in VPN that you can enable in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable VPN in Opera browser step by step. And I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if this is your first time using it. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. In the top left corner of the screen, click the Opera logo. This is where Opera keeps its main menu and browser options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can control different browser features and privacy options. Once you're in Settings, look for the VPN section. Depending on your version of Opera, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be listed under privacy-related settings. When you see VPN, click it and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Opera will activate the built-in VPN feature for your browser. You should now see the VPN indicator in the browser, which means it's ready to use. From there, you can browse with an extra layer of privacy and access content more securely. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Opera browser is updated to the latest version, since older versions may show the setting in a slightly different place. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable VPN in Opera browser in just a few seconds. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.